little chefs. Are you ready to take a yummy journey from A to Z? Today we're gonna meet the coolest fruits and veggies you've ever seen. They're colorful, they're crunchy, and they're ready to sing. Let's head to the garden and start our alphabet adventure. A is for apple, so crunchy and sweet. B is for broccoli, a healthy green treat. C is for carrot, so orange and long. D is for dates, come and sing along. Let's sing the alphabet from A to Z with fruits and veggies. It's fun, you'll see, healthy and tasty. A colorful crew, let's learn the ABCs with me and you. Purple and cool. F is for fig, nature sweet, little jewel. G is for grapes, red, green, or blue. H is for honeydew, juicy for you. Let's sing the alphabet from A to Z with fruits and veggies. It's fun, you'll see, healthy and tasty. A colorful crew, let's learn the ABCs with me and you. I is for iceberg, a lettuce to munch. J is for jacama, crunchy for lunch. K is for kiwi, so fuzzy and small. L is for lemon, the zingiest of all. M is for mango, so juicy and bright. N is for nectarine, a summery delight. O is for okra, so slimy and neat. P is for pumpkin, a fall-time treat. Let's sing the alphabet from A to Z with fruits and veggies. It's fun, you'll see, healthy and tasty. A colorful crew, let's learn the ABCs with me and you. Q is for quince, it's unique and rare. R is for radish, a peppery flair. S is for spinach, so leafy and green. T is for tomato, a salad queen. U is for ugly fruit, tangy and bold. V is for veggies, the best we're told. W is for watermelon, sweet as can be. X is for anjigua, a melon family. Yeah! Y is for yam, a root to adore. Z is for zucchini, and now we've sung more. We've sung the alphabet from A to Z with fruits and veggies. It's fun, you'll see, healthy and happy. A colorful crew learning the ABCs with all of you. Wow, that was deliciously fun. You met apples, grapes, pumpkins, and even sigua. Which one was your favorite? Keep singing and exploring new foods every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more tasty learning. Bye for now, little chefs.